Welcome back to Trinket Tuesday. Today we are continuing the hunt for the rest of the fan series. I currently have 2 boxes of the character Foldy fans, so we're going to unbox them and see what we get. I am currently looking for Mickey, Minnie, Pluto, and Dale. So the first pack. Ready? Bad rip. That's not a good sign. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my freaking gosh, we got Dale. Yes! Oh my. I'm so happy. Got a character that we don't have yet. Oh my goodness gracious, I am ecstatic. I am ecstatic right now. Okay. Second one. I got these from the back because I noticed that every single time I got them from the front, it was always dupes. Okay. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. I am so happy right now. I had to contain my excitement. Oh my God, I'm literally shaking. We got 2. We got 2 out of the 4 that we need. And what sucks is that no one trades these. So at all of the shadow boxes and all of the pin boards, no one has been trading any of the fan series. Okay. Third. Okay. Three, 2, 1. Wait, I've literally been blessed. I've literally... Oh my gosh. You guys. It's the Pim Test Kitchen. It's the Pim Test Kitchen. Okay, Pluto. We're manifesting Pluto. We're manifesting Pluto. If the real ones know that Pluto was one of the OGs that I wanted. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. It's okay. Honestly, I got 3 out of the 4 that I needed. Freaking Stitch